morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 2 presentation assembly. So good morning Year 2s, good morning mums and dads, aunties, uncles and grandparents, because I hope parents get an opportunity to share this YouTube link far and wide so we can really celebrate all these amazing Year 2 children, because I know you are proud of them, as I am and as all the teachers are as well. So let's really celebrate these children. We are there, we're the end of the spring term. Yes, we've worked at home, yes, we've worked at school for these 3 weeks, and these children have been working super hard all the way through at home and also then at school, and they truly deserve these certificates. So let's really celebrate them this morning. Here we go. We'll start with our, look at these, Mrs. Cook's English stars. Look at these guys, doing amazing English all the way through. We've got Casper, we've got Maya, we've got Charlie, we've got Rosie, Leah, Mia, Jake, Alfie and Paul. Look at these guys, big smiles on their faces. You can see the work that they're doing, the writing they're doing, the English they are doing. Let's give them a little round of applause. Well done, guys. I know you've been working really hard at home as well, because you can see that over these 3 weeks. So really well done, you superstar English stars. Enjoy taking those certificates home today. Well done. Moving on, we've got, look at these, Miss Halkins Phonics stars. Look at this, look at the writing as well that's going on. Heads down, really focus from these guys. Look, so we've got Daria, we've got Luca, we've got Mason, we've got Cece, we've got Lacey, Jackson, Logan and Bruno. Look at these, look, big smile on face, look at that, fantastic smile there. But working so hard on their phonics. That actually helps them not only with their writing, with their reading as well. So keep doing that. And clearly you have done that throughout this term. So let's give them a round of applause. Well done, you phonics stars. I know Miss Halkins is very proud of you, as I am. Well done. There we go, reading stars. Now, these 4 children, not only are they going to get a certificate, they're going to get a reading book as well. So they can have a good read over these holidays. And hopefully they'll post some nice photos on Tapestry so we can see those children reading those books. And I hope you enjoy your books. They are Ebony, Mia May, Perla and Gabriella. Look at that, hey? Big smiley face, look at Gabby, look, working hard there. Big smiley face from you, well done. And I know Mrs. Cook's really impressed because you girls have been reading every single day. So I hope you enjoy your books and your certificates when you get to take them home today. Congratulations. Miss Halkins, look at these 4. Again, you can see them reading now even. And look, you can see Esme, look at home, reading Jackson there at home. Brilliant, sister, well done. We've got Rebecca, we've got Oliver, and we've got Jacob. Look, you guys just reading non-stop. And Oliver and Rebecca here at home as well, with Jacob here at school. So really well done, guys. Enjoy your books. I really hope you enjoy them and your certificates. Give them a little round of applause. Well done, guys. Superb. And just keep it up over Easter. Well done. Moving on. Look at this. Mrs. Cook has a science star. Look at Benita. Okay. Down at Forest School, mixing up a nice stew there. Look, that looks tasty, doesn't it? Hey? So really well done, Benita. And I know Benita loves science and loves all the science work that she does and all the different things that they're doing in science. So really well done. Let's give her a little round of applause all on her own. Well done, Benita. You absolute superstar. Let's get that certificate in a really pride place. Well done. Miss Halkins, science stars. Look at these. Look. We've got Rosie, we've got Leland, we've got Michael, Cooper, Levi, Lilith and Luke, all working scientifically and working really hard with their plants. Look at it growing the bulbs also. And I know how much you guys enjoy your science as well. I know that growing's been amazing, all growing from bulbs and from seeds. So fantastic work for you Year 2s. Let's give them a round of applause. Well done. You scientists, we need lots of scientists in the future. So come on guys, keep it up. Well done. We go, look, these PE stars, look at these guys, keeping themselves fit. Look at Lee, look, out on his run, look. He looks a bit shattered there, doesn't he? Because he's been exercising every single day. Got Luna as well, all of just exercising, walking lots, getting out there. Really good for our mental health. Mr. Allen keeps talking about that. We've got to keep that up, keep it up over Easter as well, keep exercising. And you guys just give them a little round of applause. Let's keep these guys going well. So really well done, you PE stars, super. Miss Halkins PE stars, look at these. You can just about see them, look. Oh, look at Ruby, look at the running going on by Ruby. We got Sky and we got Dorcas. I know you guys have been actually see Sky with her gym mat there at home. And I know she will keep that up over Easter. Now, even though we're back at school, I know you've been exercising lots and lots. So keep that up, guys. Keep doing those exercises. Keep yourselves fit. Congratulations. Give them a round of applause. Well done, you PE stars. Oh, well, look out. Mrs. Cook's mathematicians. Look at these math stars. Wowee. So we've got Lily, we've got Alex, Ramin, Esma, George, Robbie, Olivia, Marley, Jacob, Rion and Dovis. Look at the maths that's going on here. Look, you just see that hiding behind Jacob's name there. And these guys working so hard. Big smiles on their faces as well when they're doing their maths. Okay, again, number recognition, number bonds up, hundreds, doing their times tables, adding, subtracting, dividing. It's amazing the maths that's going on with these year twos. So really well done, guys. Huge congratulations. Let's give them a little round of applause. Well done, you math stars. Moving on. Miss Halkins, math stars. Oh, look at the maths as well. Look at this. It's amazing. Omo looks really chuffed with himself. Look at that. Doing his change and sorting out money, hey? Well done, buddy. So, we've got Jordan, we've got Esme, we've got Gino, Muntaha, Tyler, Mohammed, Eva, and Omo. Look at that, right? Eva doing the time as well, telling the time. It's really difficult, that, but they're absolutely nailing it in year two. Working with money as well, getting all changed, adding, subtracting, making sure they get the right change, because that's really important, all right? So really well done. Let's give these guys a round of applause. Fantastic maths. Well done, you year twos. Brilliant. Right, here we go. Look at this. Well done, everyone. What an amazing presentation assembly, and what a huge amount of certificates going to all of you year two. So let's give yourselves all a massive cheer. Well done, guys. You are all amazing. I absolutely believe that. You absolutely are, and you should as well. And then enjoy the Easter holiday. We are there. School breaks up today at 3:15. You should all be really proud of yourselves and what you've achieved this term. And hopefully you have a really safe and active Easter holidays, and we'll see you all ready for the summer term, and then we'll be working just as hard as we have done this term. Until then, stay safe, everyone. Bye-bye now.